So if Chili were your friend, and you can make it broader and just talk to your friends, or just talk to people that may be watching that have a difference in opinion, how would you advise them to kind of move through the world right now?
Listen, like I said in the beginning, if she was my friend, I'm gonna tell her the same thing I tell the rest of my friends. If that's what you believe and if that's what you support, stand 10 toes down on it. I don't care who comes for you. Stand 10 toes down on it. Now, you bet also gotta recognize that, baby, there's a cost to some of these things, as Chili is recognizing right now. So sometimes you just may need to shut up. That's what you might need to do as well. Consider the timing if you can't stand 10 toes down on it. So that's why I catch a lot of heat, because I say what I mean and I mean what I say, and I'm not backing down from it, point blank, period. So if you can't do that, when the fire comes, you ain't got no water to put it out, boo. You better figure something out. So absolutely not. And I did not know y'all was putting me behind Dr. Charmer. She gonna talk about she a comedian. I'm like,
Where
wait a minute.
where, where can people find you, Dr. Angeline? I gotta keep y'all focused.
Okay. So had a blast today on the show. I am Dr. Angeline Dean. You can find me at intersystems.rocks, intersystems with a Z on the end, .rocks. You can find me at info@melanatedneurons.com. I am Dr. Angeline Dean, the CEO of Melanated Neurons Communiverse, an identity affirming STEM and STEAM mini museum in a box, specifically and unapologetically for Black children ages 7 to 12.
Boom. Drop the
Mhm.
mic. Okay. And I guess I would just say, you got to watch those buttons, sis. You got to watch those buttons, right? You can't just be out here pressing and blindly reposting things. No, no, but in all seriousness, I think it comes back to, I'm not saying that you need to support, I think we should support all. I think that Black people just need to unify all together. Like, it's so crazy how we are going to great lengths to cancel one another for what we believe, but really the whole system is not for us in the first place. Like, so if we are pro Democrat or pro Republican, we just should be pro Black people. Right? Only 2% of our $2 trillion is being put in back into the Black community. So where you are putting your money says what you believe about you and your community. Put money back, even if we took it up to 10%. I say this all the time. We took it from 2 to 10%. It would drastically change the Black community, period. Right? So I would just say, instead of being worried about the crumbs that we get from the political parties, Democrat or Republican, we really should just self-insulate and really bake our own cakes. Let's bake, right? Instead of trying to figure out and canceling each other and all of that. It's just like, I think we just miss it. We miss it. We miss the point. We miss where we could really flex our muscles. And so I would just encourage you to really just think about where you putting your money. Um I wouldn't personally put it into a Trump campaign. I would find somebody local and somebody that's qualified and Black, because there are qualified Black people all over the place. I think that the qualified Black businesses, qualified Black politicians, just we here, right? So my name is Miss Black Hollywood. I'm also known as Sierra Williams. I'm also known as Karma J. Just depends on the day. And this is a ministry, Flat Nubian Money is a ministry that I've come to just absolutely love.